Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel where creativity comes to life. Today we're going to create stunning party decorations using Canva. Whether you're planning a birthday bash, a wedding, or any celebration, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First, head over to canva.com and log in to your account. If you're new to Canva, signing up is free and super easy. Once you're in, click on the Create a Design button at the top right corner. Select Custom Size to start. Depending on what you're creating, banners, posters, or table cards, you can adjust the dimensions accordingly. For this tutorial, let's create a banner. We'll set the dimensions to 2000 by 500 pixels. Now that we have our canvas, it's time to get creative. Choosing a background. Start by choosing a background. Click on the Elements tab on the left sidebar and type Colorful Confetti Background in the search bar. You can select from solid colors, gradients, or patterns. For a festive look, I'm choosing a colorful confetti background. Adding and customizing text. Next, let's add some text. Click on the Text tab and choose Add a heading. Type in your message, something like Happy Birthday or Congratulations. Customize the font style, size, and color to match your theme. Adjusting text styles and colors. To change the font, click on the text box and use the Font drop-down menu at the top. Canva offers a wide variety of fonts, so pick one that fits your party vibe. You can also adjust the text color using the color picker. Let's add some fun elements to make our banner pop. Adding elements and graphics. Click on the Elements tab to add graphics, shapes, and icons. Search for elements like balloons, banners, or party hats to decorate your banner. Drag and drop them onto your design and resize as needed. Uploading and adding personal photos. You can also upload your own photos to add a personal touch. Click on the Uploads tab and drag your images into Canva. Once uploaded, drag them onto your design and position them where you like. Our banner looks fantastic. Now let's save and print it. Downloading the banner. Click on the Share button at the top right corner. Choose your preferred file format, PNG, JPG, or PDF. For printing, PDF is usually the best option. Once downloaded, you can print your banner at home or send it to a professional printer. And there you have it. A stunning party banner made in Canva. Easy and fun, right? If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!